In and out. Breathe in and out. Steady stance, go. Single leg kicking, 45. In, out. Out, in. Stretch kick. Out, kick. Side kick. Roundhouse. Jumping out, in. Turning side. Turning side. Full moon. Axe kick. Full moon. Full moon. Axe kick. Punch kick. Stepping side shout. Close your noggin. Ayun, okay. Meron sa tinamaan ang kabalian. 45. In, out. Out, in. Stretch kick. Out kick. Side kick. Roundhouse. Jumping out, in. Jumping out, in. Turning side. Full moon. Axe kick, punch kick. Ma'am, observe. Anong problem the way she execute? Observe yung execution niya. 45. In, out. Out, in. Stretch kick. Stepping side shout. Good. Tira. Anong problem? May problem sa execution. What's the problem? Twisting. Tapos positioning ng kamay niya. Na-hamper ako ube. Kita ka ganun mo yung kamay niya.
Exactly.
Here. Over ka dito, side. Hindi yung nakik siya na nandiyan yung kamay. Masyado niyang binibigyan yung ano eh. Iba kasi ang execution sa palms eh.
At Kurogi. Yes.
Inaano niya eh. Pinagsama. Okay yung kanya kung palms eh. Pero this is Kurogi. Okay, fighting stance, go. Combination kicking, 45. 45. In, out, out, in. You're jumping, you're gonna jump. Out, in, stretch kick, front kick, side kick, roundhouse, jumping out, in. 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 Turning side. Turning side. Full moon. Full moon. Axe kick. Punch kick. Stepping side shout. Stepping side shout. So, ang ina-out in yung kamay, hindi yung mukha. Ha? Show us evidence number 13. Ay. Again. Out in, diretso back face, 1 count. Again. 1. Okay, again. Ang problem kasi yung distansya mo masyado kang malaki. Ulitin mo, i-atras mo yung distance mo. Ulit. Number 3, 13. Baru. Kuasa number 15. Sir. Okay. Armor. Magsupan.
Sir. Hoy, Raquel, tinutod ba't imo? Ato na! Akik, Raquel, akik. Parang yung target. Ayaw, sabi. Gamit. Na-smile ka na, yung go.